This dude right here is about to find out why the world's famous racetrack is called the Green Hell.
What a save. What a save. What a save. What a save.
Maybe that last guy won't be taking his Hyundai to the track anytime soon, but this next dude, he should be in the track because there's no way he's just casually sitting in regular traffic in a 5,000 horsepower dragster. Up next, this is what it looks like when your driving luck runs out.
Blinky means stop moving. Blinky blinky means stop moving.
Boys, the internet is so cooked right now. These damn AI car videos are really getting out of hand. And the funny thing is, some poor old grandpa on Facebook somewhere actually believes these videos are real.
Soba.
Next up, we have an unk getting rage baited by some young bruz at a red light. Is that how they say the bruz? You know, because we're unks and they're bruz? I don't know. Roll the clip.
Like you that give the car hobby a bad name. You go around sounding like complete dog and everyone hates you. Just go ahead and film me and put this all over the internet. Tackle tune, it sucks, and you're a douche. Sound like an asshole.
Boys, before we get back into today's video, I want to talk to you guys about something I've been using that's actually pretty helpful. This is the Mookar 892BT. It's an AI diagnostic tool for your vehicle, so instead of going to a shop to get the basic insight on what's going on with your car, this plugs right into your car and helps you read and understand what's happening with your car in real time. I really love the AI aspect to this. It doesn't just throw random codes at you, it actually breaks it down to help you understand what's wrong with your car and give you a better idea what's going on. And the cool thing is the AI features are something they're actively developing, so over time it's only going to get better and smarter with updates. People, stop guessing what's wrong with your car. Trust me, I've been there, I've done that. You only make things worse for yourself. Get to the bottom of it with Mookar 892BT and actually find out what's going on. Make sure to click the link in the description to get yours today. Now back to racing. Alright, so this next clip is something that we should see more often. It's when cops don't take their job so seriously.
You want to hear some bangs? Listen. I love it.
Talking about unks, this next unk has been waiting for this exact moment probably all his life.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
I remember when people used to modify their exhaust just to sound good. Now it's almost like they're competing on who can make their car into a weapon.
This is the craziest exhaust setup I think I've ever seen in my life. Look at the inside of that. Like, yeah, dude, like what? How many exhaust pipes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. God dang.
Bruh, you know you have a fast car when you're gapping people with your own car full of people. Okay, I just need to know what kind of brake setup this car has because I did not know they made cars with just the front brakes.
Como é que vem? Pô, bem que eu tô aqui, né? Aí, vai, 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 velho.
Ladies and gentlemen, we finally found him, the real Vin Diesel. Let's roll the clip.